Yes, welcome everyone to the session on basics of future and options. Today we have accumulated here to discuss the basic level of future and options, wherein we will be learning how to take a trade in the derivatives market using futures and options primarily, how to understand the various, I would say, phases of futures and the option market. What is the role of open interest? What is the calculation which goes behind calculating the option premiums and the cost of carry of the futures? Basically, the discussion here is for those who have zero idea of the derivatives market, the future and option market. Basically, we are all expected to have little bit knowledge of stock markets, of course, but there is no prior knowledge of derivatives which is required here. As you can see, the whiteboard is already shared with all of you. So whatever I'm going to scribble here will be visible to all of you. Let me cover everything relating to the futures and options market for you so that your basics are absolutely clear. Once your basic is clear, you have got the foundation stone laid in for you. Then you can build upon the advanced levels. You can, let's say, learn strategies using those future and options. It becomes easier. If I were to teach you option strategies, let's say future and option related strategies, I would have to know that you have at least the basic knowledge of future and options. If you don't have basic knowledge of future and options, you can never learn future and option strategies or advanced strategies. Hence, this course is actually aiming to fill the gap or bridge the gap between a participant who has never heard about derivatives or never traded in the future and options, and at the same time, someone who wants to learn strategies of future and options market. There is a huge gap between these two stages. The knowledge which you have of future and options right now, if you have any, can also be, I would say, a little bit wrong or incomplete. Because most of the time people learn future and option either by reading some articles or books, or maybe practically doing the trading with a hands-on experience, or maybe by looking at some videos here and there. Now, in almost all of these cases, the learning which you have taken, which is called heuristic-based learning, the learning has been intuitive, I believe, because you have kind of tried to learn everything on your own. But such type of learning is prone to biasness, and such type of learning leads to financial loss in the future. Because half knowledge is more detrimental than no knowledge. So it's better to start from scratch, start from the beginning without any baggage from the past. So I would suggest all of you to completely clean your existing knowledge of future and options if you have any, and start from the beginning. Clean out the entire slate and start afresh. And I'm sure whatever you're going to learn with me right now, that is going to help you for your entire lifetime in your journey towards future and options and derivative based trading. But you have to be totally dedicated and completely focused on whatever I'm going to scribble, explain, and discuss with all of you. Whatever we are going to learn, first we will cover theory and then we will cover everything practically. Okay, I'm going to show you the prices and everything in the calculation which is there. I'm going to show you all of that. Eventually, you're not going to trade in futures, but you're going to trade in options. But the knowledge of futures is very important because futures has given birth to options. In fact, today, while I know that I have been taking these sessions on behalf of so many institutions, including the exchange itself, I can easily claim and say that only those people who have had a great idea of futures market have been successful in the options market, because option market in itself is just a mere extension of the futures market which you know. So in case you have a good knowledge of futures, automatically learning options and understanding options becomes a cakewalk for you.